안녕하세요. It's Jia. Today we'll make Halal Kimchi Jjigae. Kimchi Jjigae for Koreans is a comfort food. Especially, it's a great dish that goes well in a winter cold dinner. There are varieties of kimchi stews, and today we'll be making chicken kimchi stew. Are you ready? Let's start then. Let's start from making a broth. I used dried kelp. I soaked in this hot water like 10 minutes ago. This is 550 cc. So just directly add dried kelp to hot water and let it just stay in hot water until the water cools down to room temperature. It will take about 15 to 20 minutes. First, let's mince the garlic. And then we're going to use green onion, 1 stalk of green onion, and the white part is going to use to flavor the oil. So let's just chop them. And the green part we're going to use for garnish. Now let's marinate the chicken. It's not a big chicken, it's 800 grams of chicken cut in a big bite-sized pieces. And I rinsed in cold water a few times, at least 3 times. Clean well and then drain water. And here, add garlic, black pepper, about ½ teaspoon of salt goes in here, and we're going to mix it and marinate for 15 minutes. Okay, in a large pan, we're going to add about 1½ tablespoon of cooking oil. In a medium-low heat, flavor the oil with white part of green onion. I normally stir fry for about a minute or so. And then we're going to add the marinated chicken to the pot. Just stir fry the chicken until they turn a little brown. And then we're going to add kimchi to it. If you have old, well-fermented kimchi, it would be perfect. If you don't have it, don't worry. You can add a little bit of vinegar to it and make it a little bit sour. If it is overly sour, then you can add a little bit of sugar to it. Okay, let's put everything all at once. Higher the heat to a medium to medium-high heat. Don't throw away the kimchi juice. We're going to use about ½ cup of kimchi juice. And I personally like to add about 1 tablespoon of gochugaru, Korean chili flakes, to it for color and for nice kick. This is optional. Okay. And actually I made my kimchi, today's kimchi, a week ago. So it's still too fresh. It's not aged fermented kimchi. So I want to use about 1 tablespoon of rice vinegar. So stir fry them in between medium-low heat to medium heat. It has been cooked for about 5 minutes. Now I'm ready to add the stock to the kimchi jjigae. Higher the heat to medium-high heat, bring to a boil. And then once it's boiling, I'm going to lower the heat and simmer with the lid on for another 20 minutes. Let's add tofu to it. Let it cook for a couple of minutes. Kimchi stew is typically made with pork. I challenged making it with chicken and it came out great. Kimchi jjigae has lots of probiotics and it's a delicious, healthy meal that can be easily made in 30 minutes. I hope you enjoy my recipe. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.